नमस्कार मुलांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 2री ते 5वीच्या मुलांसाठी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर आणि डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर चढता आणि उतरत्या क्रमाचा आपण व्हिडिओ पाहणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न ascending and descending order. Okay, listen here. First, smaller number and greater number. Which is smaller number and which is greater number? So how to do that? Listen. 7. So draw here 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9. Draw here 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which are more? 9 lines are more than 7. So 9 is greater than 7 and 7 is smaller than 9. So which sign? Greater than. 7 is smaller than 9. 9 is greater. Okay. Now here is 6 and here is 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have drawn 6 circles and here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles. Which are more? There is 6 circles and 5 circles. These are more. And how to determine this? So we cut 1 and 1. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. Which is more? 6 is more. 6 is greater. 6 circles are more. Okay. So which number is a greater number? 6 is greater than 5. We can do this same method. Is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. 6, 6, 7, 7. There are 2 lines remain here. So 9 is greater than 7. Okay. And here 6 is greater than 5. So we can draw this sign here. Okay. Now smallest and greatest number. How? We also smaller number and greater number. How we determine it? So count from 1. When the number, which number come first is smaller number and the remaining number is greater number. So in 7 and 9, which is the smaller number? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Who come first? Who came first? 7. So 7 is smaller. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number came first? 5. So 5 is smaller and 6 is greater. We do this method for smallest and greatest numbers also. Okay. Listen, here is 7, 3 and 6. So which is the smallest number? The number which come first when we count from 1. That is smallest number. So 3. 1, 2, 3. Who come first? 3. So 3 is the smallest number. 3 is the smallest number. And greatest number which come last? Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come last 7. So the greatest number is 7. This is the simple method for doing this smallest and greatest number. How to determine smallest number and greatest number? The simple method is that to count from 1 to 1, and the number which come first is smallest number and the number which come last is greatest number. Okay. So here is 8, 10 and 5. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who come first? Who come first? 5. So 5 is the smallest number. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who came last? 10. So 10 is the greatest number. The number which come first is the smallest number and the number which come last is the greatest number. Very simple method. Okay. Now write the before number. How to determine, how to write before number? So here is 6 before number. So do count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. So subtract 1, 5. Okay. If we count 6 fingers, then we do that subtract 1 from 6. So which have come? 5. So before number is 5. Then we read this 5, 6. Correct method. 5, 6. If we write here 7, then 7, 6 is wrong method. Okay. Now second one, 9. So count up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 is there. Subtract 1, 8. So write here 8. Listen, 8, 9. It's correct. 3. Count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, subtract 1, 2. So write here 2, 2, 3. From this method we write correct number, correct before number. Okay. Now write the after number. 9. Which number come after 9? You count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy. After 9 come 10. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. You can write 4. Easy method. Okay. 6. Which number come after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. We can write here 7. This is a very easy method. We can write the after number is very easy. For before number, we should subtract 1. Okay. Write the middle number. This is also very easy. 6 dash 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To which number remain here? 7. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Which number come middle? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. 8 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Which number comes here? 9. 8, 9, 10. Very easy. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Which number comes in the middle? 6. It's a very easy method. Now, here write the numbers in ascending order. We can do this. We can write the ascending order by this method also. Counting by counting. The number, we know that how to recognize, how to determine smallest number and greatest number. This is the same method we can use for this also. The same method, which is ascending order, means what? Smallest to greatest. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. We walk upstairs, no? This time, okay? Upstairs. So first, in ascending order, we must write the smallest number first and the greatest number last. Okay? So count. There is 7, 3, 9. Count. 1, 2, 3. Which number have come? 3. 3 is the smallest number. So write here 3 first. This is smallest number. In ascending order, we must write the smallest number first and then the last greatest number. Then 7, after 7 which come? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number have come? 7. Then 8, 9. Very easy. 3, 7, 9. This is called ascending order. 10, 5, 4. Which number? Which is the first? We must write the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the smallest number? 4. So we should write here 4. And after 4, 5. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the greatest number. So write here 10. 4, 5, 10. This is the ascending order of 10, 5, 4. Okay. Then 6, 8, 5. We should write how? By counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the smallest number. So write here smallest number 5. Then 6. Here is 6. Then 7, 8. 8 is the greatest number. Ascending order means to write the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay. Here 4. Fourth example 3, 9, 8. Which is the smallest number? 1, 2, 3. 3 have come first. So we should write here 3 first. 3 is the smallest number. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Then 9. So the ascending order of 3, 9, 8 is 3, 8, 9. This is ascending order. 8, 2, 7. Count. 1, 2. 2 is the smallest number. So write first. We must write the smallest number first and the greatest number last. 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, we should write here 7. And then 8. 8 is the greatest number. Okay. Now write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means downstairs. We walk when downstairs. So listen here. The descending order is to write from greatest to smallest. We should write from greatest to smallest. So greatest we did. So we must write the greatest number here first. So 5, 8, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the greatest. So we must write here first 8. And which is the smallest? Is the first 1. 1 is the smallest. So we write here 1. And which is the middle number? That is 5. So when we write the descending order, the descending order means we must write first the greatest number, and last smallest number. So when we have written, we must check this. How? Is from 1 to 8. First 1, from right to left. We have right correct or not. So how to check? To count from this smallest to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. Okay. This type 6, 3, 9. Descending order. Right? Descending. So descending order we must write first the greatest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the greatest number. So write here first 9. 9 is the greatest number and 3 is the smallest number. So which have remained? 6. So write here 6 and then 3. This is the easy method. First write the greatest number and then the remaining number and then last the smallest number. Which is the greatest number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the greatest number. We know. Okay. And 2 is the smallest number. Which remain? 5. So we have to write 5 here. Then last we must write the smallest number. Okay. 7, 4, 8. Which is the greatest number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the greatest number. So write first 8. Then comma. Then 4 is the smallest number. 4 is the smallest number. So which number have remain? 7. Then write the smallest number. Descending orders means we must write the greatest number first and smallest number last. Means greatest to smallest. 3, 9, 7. Which number will come last? That is greatest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the greatest number. So we must write here 9. Then 3, 7. 3 is the smallest number. Which number have remained? 7. So write here 7 and then 3. This is very easy method to write the ascending order and descending order. Okay. Thank you.